Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. I was just traveling from Dubai to Abu Dhabi due to some personal work, so that's why there is so much delay. Market, today morning I predicted that the market may not fall much. That's because I was looking at the FII data yesterday, the domestic institution data. Both were net buyers, and there is no news flow in India. So I thought what GIF Nifty indicated about 100-point gap down. I thought either it will not gap down so much, or even if it gaps down, I thought markets will recover. But contrary to my expectation, the markets went for a free fall. I do not know why the Bank Nifty has fallen so much today for no reason. Yesterday, there was no indication in US market also, but both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank has fallen to 2.5%. The Bank Nifty, it is a terrible month for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty started around 50,000, then went to 47,000, then again came back to 50,000. Again, just 2 days before, it went close to 50,000. Now, today it closed around 48,500. So, just in a matter of 3 days, Bank Nifty has fallen 1,500 points. Totally, it was a disappointing trading session. But this kind of things are likely to happen, when the market is rising or falling, it should be left to the market. But sometimes what happens, the markets, falling, some political leader coming and giving some comment. And I'm talking about Amit Shah, who came and spoke when the market was at 21,900. Then there was a huge short covering rally. Then the market stabilized. Again, the Prime Minister came and spoke. Again, there's a huge rally. But what happens, FIAs, they take this as an opportunity to offload their shares. And today, FIAs have sold for more than 5,000 crores. And remember, this is one of the highest selling in the last 1 month. And remember, this is not the expiry day. The expiry is tomorrow. And, FIAs are likely to sell even more. Sometimes, I even doubt those international big banks or, S&P. Today morning, there was a news, Standard and Poor has upgraded India from stable to positive, something like that. And that was the flash news everywhere. But when this news comes, Nifty is falling 200 point and FIAs are selling for more than 5,800 crores. The domestic institutions have bought for 5,200 crore, but still they could not arrest the fall. And today IT was down, bank was down, Reliance was down. In fact, yesterday also it was the case. Yesterday it was some side counters that supported the market, but the main counters like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank, and TCS, Infosys in IT space, and Reliance, all these stocks were down. And with this, in just last 3 days, Nifty has fallen about 400 points. So just for fun, I tweeted, when Amit Shah spoke, Nifty was at 21,900, and that time the all-time high was 22,800. So I said, 21,900 is the Amit Shah support, and 22,800 is the Amit Shah resistance. Again, Prime Minister spoke when Nifty was around 22,500. So the market shot up again. That all-time high of 22,800 was taken out comfortably, moved another 300 points, and now market started falling. Now Prime Minister support is at 22,500. Prime Minister resistance is at 23,100. So where the Nifty is likely to close tomorrow. Right now, the US markets are lower, and because tomorrow there is a inflation related data. what they call it as personal consumption expenditure data. That is coming tomorrow. So because of that, US markets are very, very jittery, because the US markets are also at all-time high. When this kind of inflation data comes, the markets tend to be very, very jittery. That is understandable. But our market, nobody can understand. And the market, falling 1,000 point and shooting up 1,000 point, it has been going on like this for the last 3 months. So anyway, so there is no need to talk about the open interest, this and that, when the market going like this free fall. Even 22,800 call option would have added very, very huge quantity. So I think tomorrow we should be happy if Nifty closes somewhere around 22,800. And that itself is a great news for bulls. So anyway, since I'm out, I could not analyze many things. I will discuss tomorrow morning with you. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.